Okay, today we're going to be creating a Google My Business listing for our lease site. What this is basically is puts our site on the Google listing section. You know, if you Google any kind of service, it comes up on the site where addresses are, that kind of thing. Actually, let me show you an example here real quick. Here's my tree one that I'm using. Kenosha Tree Services. So this is the listing that we want this to come up with. Okay, it'll also create a Google Plus page for our site, and this is actually part of the whole package that you'll sell to clients. You'll let them, excuse me, you'll get them a top site on the listing, plus their website. So it's part of the whole package. So with that being said, let's go ahead and create a listing. Okay, the first thing we want to do is set up a Gmail account for our business. So I'm going to do Kenosha Juvenile Lawyer at gmail.com. Oops, actually create an account, sorry. Okay, screwed that up. So let's, I'm just going to use my name. You could use a fake name if you wanted to, but this is fine. All right, Kenosha Juvenile Lawyer at gmail.com. Password in. Birth date. My birthday. I'll be 50 shortly. Mobile phone I don't put in. Current email address. Let me pause this here. Okay. I just got my email from KenoshaJuvenileLawyer.com. Try to keep everything under one account if possible. Next step. Alright, let's create it. That's doing that. Loading up. Next thing we're going to do is go to google.com/business. And again, I'll have links below the video. Let's try this. I'm just going to search Google business. I spelled business wrong. Google or something. Okay. So get your business on Google for free. Get on Google. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, search by business name and address. Business name is Juvenile. Sorry, Kenosha. See, this is pretty good. You get to watch me kind of screw up too. These match our business, so we're going to add our business. Of course, we haven't made our business yet, so right here we're going to put Kenosha Juvenile. There. right. I'm going to go ahead and here you put your street address, your city, state, zip code, main business phone, which is we're going to use our phone number that we created through Twilio. Category, of course, I'm going to put, well, if they have attorneys, just fill this out. I'm going to go ahead and pause this real quick. Once I do this, I'll resume. So, same thing, you go ahead and put all your information in. I'll be right back. Okay, I added a. I'm new here with Camtasia. Excuse me. Okay, I added my information. You want to use either your own address or a friend's address, or if you're doing this site for somebody's business that you know, you can use their address. The reason being is Google's going to send a verification letter through the mail. Excuse me again. I'm sorry. So you have to have an actual address to get the mail with the verification on it. Okay, so right now I'm going to come down here. Of course, these are ones that are close to my area, but they're not mine, so I'm going to keep the information I entered. I'm going to click this. I'm going to pause this again. And the reason I'm pausing is I actually have my personal information on here. Unfortunately, there's people in the world that can use that information, I guess, for whatever means they want. So it's just a little safety measure I do. So I'm going to pause this here real quick. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. After further consideration, it is what it is. If somebody wants to, I guess, be a jerk with my stuff, that's fine. Whatever. Anywho, so here I am, Kenosha Juvenile Lawyer. I'm going to add the website here. Our domain, KenoshaJuvenileLawyer.com. Actually, I'm going to go HTTP. Semicolon, blah, blah. Let's see, add more contact. We already have our phone number. Okay. Save that. So here's kind of what our map's looking like. We have our phone number, our website. We're a law firm. That was under the category section. Let's edit our hours. I don't know. What do lawyers usually work? 9 to 5? Sure. 9 a.m. 5 p.m. Now remember, this is just to get the listing up. Once I have a client that wants to use this, I'll ask them their information and I'll put their information in. So okay. Click to add an intro about your business. So let's go here. So let's see, what can we write here? Kenosha Juvenile. Let me pause and think about this for a second. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, took me a second here, but again, this is something that we can change later. You can ask your client if they'd like to put a different description. Remember, when we lease these sites out to these people, whoever it might be, it's their site. As long as they keep paying. If they decide to quit paying, well, then it'll be somebody else's site. You see what I mean? So that's the great thing about this. It's their site, but it's actually your site. You're just leasing it to them. So, but anyway, I just kind of threw this in here. You can read through it if you want. What I did do is I put a link here. Basically, you would do this, hit the link, put it to our website. So, okay, save that. I guess we're done editing. I'll save. One more thing I want to do. Photos. Add some photos here. And if you don't understand, I mean, what I'm doing here, you can always hit this link here and just learn more. I'll walk you through it, but basically what we're going to do, order profile. I downloaded some photos. Dang it, I forgot which one was what. Let's do this. I'm just going to drag this one. I just googled free raw photos. Oh, it's too small. Okay. I went small because I thought it was going to be too big. So let's do this. I'm going to pause again. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I resize my pictures here, so now this one's good. So what I want to do here is I want to click on this, and up here we want to under photo details we want to add some things. Share location. Something I should have done before. Doggone it. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna see right. I want to show you something here. See this file name? That should say Kenosha Juvenile Lawyer. Okay. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to pause this one more time. Be right back and change it. Okay. So what I end up doing here, quite simply, was here I'll show you here in a second. I went back. I'm going to try to resize this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to set profile photo. Okay. Now, what I did here, just so you can see, I went back, found the picture, and under the image name, remember how the file name was image, img, blah, blah, blah. I put Kenosha Juvenile Lawyer. Basically, every little bit helps. So having our keyword, our website name that we're trying to rank for, this really does help. Alright, so that's that. Then you can add more photos later if you want. Back to exterior photos that work, blah, 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 additional photos, no. As you can see here, just so you know, if we requested a verification postcard, usually they would come within 5 days. So let's go back to our home page. Photos, I think we're pretty much it here. Google Plus, Google Analytics, all this kind of stuff. So that's pretty much it, what we want to do. And that's it for creating a Google My Business. Tomorrow we will be creating a Yahoo, and then the next day a Bing account. Alright? Okay, everyone, have a good day. Talk to you guys tomorrow. See ya.